Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another cutting edge video with the one and only MatrixCodeBreaker. And before we get started, I would like to remind you to subscribe and click or tap the notification bell just so that you are the first one to see my upcoming uploads. And if you have subscribed, then thank you so much for doing so. It has been quite a while since I have uploaded. That was due to me having to write exams. And most probably you have realized something new, the music in the background. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. Well, okay, now we may start with our work. So today we are doing HTML meta tags. Meta tags provide information about the metadata, and the metadata is the information about the data of your HTML web page, your website, whatever you want to call it. The meta tags are not displayed on your website. It will only be read by machine. The meta tags are always in the head tag. Within each meta tag you need to specify two attributes, which are name and content. So we can just go to our head here above our title and put in a meta tag. Meta. First, what you want to do is type in meta and tab. We're only going to do that once because this is the character set for our meta tags. And remember, this will only be read by machine. We will not be able to view this on the web page, as I said. So meta, now we can give our meta a name attribute, which will be the description. And then we can also and lastly content, which will be let's say HTML for beginners. I'm not sure if that's how it's spelled, but okay. So I'm just gonna copy this. Actually, I don't mind typing it again. So below that, I'll put in another meta, and this one's name meta, and the name for this one will be the author, and the content will be me. I'll just say MatrixCodeBreaker. And then below that we'll have another meta for keywords. Well, keyword meta tags have comma separated values. So the name for this one, the name will be keywords. And then the content will be content will be, let's say, I'll type in HTML and then comma tutorials. And then now the last and most important one is the viewport, the meta, and then the name for this will be viewport. this is how you are going to see it on whatever device you're using. So I'm also gonna give this a content, which will be content. So we write here content width is equals to device width and then comma initial scale is equals to 1.0. So I think this should be here. Yes, this should be there. Okay, it doesn't want to go in there for some reason. Okay, so let me explain what this does. So this meta tag, the viewport one, this actually determines how you'll be able to view the web page on the device that you're using. So without this meta tag, if someone views your website on a mobile phone, they will not, the display will be the display will be the display of a desktop site, which will be really zoomed out, and it won't really look as attractive as it would look like on a desktop. So when you say the width is equal to the device width, if you're using a mobile phone, it will just make it the right enough size for it to be viewable on that device. If it's landscape or portrait, that's how it will work. And then this, the search engine just analyzes this so that like you can have rankings. So if you have many of these and they're relevant to what your website is about, I think you get a better ranking. So guys, this video was actually shorter than I thought it would be, and I think this might be the last of HTML from me. I think my next video will most definitely be on CSS. See you next time, and if you enjoyed the video, please do make sure that you give it a like,